Bing Blaster review. Hey my friends, welcome back. This is Kieran Hogg, and today's video I'm going to review Bing Blaster. As you can see, I have members access here. This is a launch that is going live on Sunday, February 13th at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and it is being launched by Dan Can and Philip Johansson, two rising affiliates who put out great content, trustworthy, so I am very also confident that this Bing Blaster is going to be another fantastic product. Also, I have some cool bonuses, some of my own bonuses you will not find anywhere else that I think are really going to complement Bing Blaster. We're going to check out all the members area access. I'll show you what's inside. We're going to learn more about the price, the front end, sales page, and all that good stuff. So with that being said, I will see you on the other side. Welcome back, my friends. So here is the members area access. We're going to check out all the modules, learn everything there is about Bing Blaster. But before we do that, Bing Blaster in a nutshell, if I just take you over to my sales page, is about, well, you think about it, what does the name suggest? Bing, right? Bing ads. So possibly the easiest way to make money we've found. You are about to discover the secret silver bullet that has made us $142 per day, every day for 6 months, and is still running. You can start today. No website, no videos, no reviews even, guys. Extremely beginner friendly. Turn $1 into $10 every time. All-in-one solution. Unlimited buyer traffic. Just send traffic to one link and get paid forever. Takes just minutes, and they are going to give you 100% 30-day money-back guarantee. I'll let you check this out on your own time. This video, 3 minutes 23 seconds. But let's take a little bit more of a look at my bonus page here, you guys. So my bonus page, we're going to learn a little bit more of what Bing is, and I'm going to get into my bonuses. So my bonus page will stay up until 3 days and 23 hours. And if we just go down here, so what is Bing Blaster all about? Well, we've all heard of Facebook ads, YouTube ads, Google ads, and many others, but they can be very expensive. Some of my bonuses, stick around, you guys. They will also help you get some free traffic without having to spend any money. Okay, so the cost to advertise on these platforms are rising every single year, and it shows no signs of stopping. So what did Dan do? He found the underground system that turns $1 into $10. All right, so like I said, beginner friendly, backed by real user results and an all-in-one solution. Guys, here is the front end with the OTOs. I'll come back to this, but let me show you my bonuses that are going to complement Bing Blaster. So now, if you want to learn another facet of online, making money online, launch jacking is a fantastic way that you can do that. This is my own product. My partner Suleik and I go into a deep detail about how you can make money launch jacking. It'll tell you what it is, how you can get your link approved, how you can make bonuses, how you can use other people's bonuses and customize them, how you can do it all for free too. I have a template that I've created in here, and you can just put in your image and your text, and it's completely free. You don't have to spend any money. This is one of the reasons why I made this. I wanted to give struggling or new affiliates a way to learn the system without having to run out of the gates paying all these monthly fees. Okay, so you're going to get a lot of value from this, in my opinion. That is my first bonus. My second one is the OTO of Profit Launcher, aka Profit Ranker. You're going to learn how to outrank your competition using the Google, YouTube algorithms. We go into a lot of detail, my partner does here, how there's lots of ways that you can just use the algorithms to your benefit, certain things that you can do to outrank your others. Lots of important information in here as well. My next one, guys, is TweetX. This is a Google Chrome extension made by my friends from Team Alpha. This can blast out on autopilot information about your product, your business, your brand, maybe an upcoming launch, whatever you want on autopilot, and you can reach almost at 500 million Twitter users, okay? And guys, Nova, the fastest growing social platform there is TikTok, right? If you recently saw Facebook's earnings, they got crushed, and part of that is because TikTok is eating their lunch. So you can use the power of TikTok. This is going to show you how you can bypass all of the expensive ads that you would have to pay. This has not only the front end that I'm giving you, it is the OTO 1, 2, 3, and 4. You got the whole package here, guys, as a way of me saying thank you for using my links. And guys, 7-figure affiliate marketers, 3 best traffic sources. So this goes into Bing Blaster, of course, is about Bing. This is another, not just 6-figure affiliate marketer, but a 7-figure affiliate marketer discusses his 3 favorite traffic sources. So you're going to get a lot of value from this. Shows you how you can actually find it and what you can do when you're there as well. So lots and lots of bonuses. Also, guys, all the vendor bonuses are going to be right here as well. All you got to do is click on any of these yellow buttons. It'll take you over to the sales page, which is going to look like so. You click on one of these yellow buttons, and then it's going to take you to Warrior Plus. Access your purchase, that green button. Access affiliate bonuses, that blue button. That's going to kick you over to my page here where you can get all of the bonuses. Don't forget to do that. Okay, guys. And guys, if you want to learn more about me, how to make money online, I do lots of reviews on products. I also have information on my website about how to make money online, some different ideas, and just, yeah, you can learn more about me. You can check me out here. Also, do leave a comment down below. I will definitely get back to you, and hit that bell button, like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. So guys, let's now go to the sales page. I've already discussed a little bit about it right here. So this is, I'm just going to skip through here, go through some of the bonuses. This is Dan. Like I said, Dan Can and Philip Johansson are the creators, and they're teamed up with Trevor Carr and I believe one other person. But anyways, some high-level affiliates. So you don't need to do any of this stuff. You can check this out all on your own, guys, because there's a lot here. Now, this is some proof. Look at this. Last 30 days, $9,154.22. That is fantastic. That is life-changing for most of us. Okay. Look here, guys. Net commissions, 4,000. Gross, 4,495. Excellent. Here are some testimonials that I'll let you check out on your own time. There's my man Bill, my man Jake, and Nanda, all fantastic people, very trustworthy as well, friends of mine. So this just adds more credibility to Bing Blaster. Right, guys, so money back guarantee. Okay, here are the bonuses, guys. So bonus number 1, direct access to the Bing Blaster Master. As a customer, you'll get direct access to Dan. We're making ourselves available directly to ensure your success. No one wants to see you succeed more than us, and we're backing it up with this unprecedented commitment. That's fantastic, because even though they've laid it out very well in the members area, which I will show you, sometimes people get snagged up, and Dan is going to be there to lend a helping hand real time. Number 2, free training on how we made $62,000 in 27 days. See exactly what we used to make traffic, make $43,000 in 7 days without spending. Okay, I think that's a typo, should be 62,000. Bonus number 3, we have compiled the training that cost us almost $2,000 to attain, and decided to give it to you as a bonus. We paid a high price so you don't have to. Number 4, unfair advantage in business and life custom training. Learn how to take life by the horns and become successful in your internet marketing business. And finally, number 5, instant approval to promote Bing Blaster. Make up to $400 in commissions per sale when you promote Bing Blaster. And now you have the tools to do it. Learn how to take life by the horns and become successful in your online marketing business. All right. Let's see what it all is here. So guys, welcome to Bing Blaster. We have how to be awesome. Oh, this is just obviously this is still demo. They're working out all of the bugs. This should not be here. And let's just go with welcome from Dan. This is his kind of baby here. And beginner methods. So you're gonna learn $500 to $1,000 a month. So we have the proof of method, income shots. You're gonna see here that what Dan has done actually does work. He's showing you proof, real time. Bing versus Google is gonna show you some of the pros and maybe some of the cons, but the big pro is it's much cheaper than Google, okay? And he goes into other things as well. Brand bidding explained. He's gonna talk about all that and how you can use it to your advantage. Choosing a product, how you're going to do that. He'll talk about which products to choose, maybe which ones to avoid. Launching our ad. It's going to go into detail about that as well. Okay, that is the beginner method. Now we get into the intermediate method where you can be earning $2,000 to $5,000 a month. Fantastic. So you're going to say, welcome to the intermediate method. You're going to do your product selection where you're going to find the products that are going to help you. Create your landing page. So you'll need some kind of funnel builder, a page builder, if you will. I know these guys use ClickFunnels, but there are other viable options out there that are much cheaper that they will discuss. Integrate ClickMagick and ClickBank. ClickMagick setup. So once you've integrated it, how to set it up. Your ad creation, so we'll go into your campaign URL manager and all the things that you're going to need to learn about.
Video, we're going
that.
to create
So
our campaign.
Let me just show you here.
We're going to create campaign. Okay, you're going to click visits to my website. What's it called? Okay, you're going to type in phrase broad to phrase match tool. Free video reveals. A magical
Okay guys, so I've bought products from Dan and Phil before and they're very good at what they do. Dan is more of the behind the scenes, more of the tech, the software type team member of this team, and he goes into very good detail, shows you clearly how it's all going to be done as well. All right, create your ad. Optimization, how you can get more people out there looking at it. Obviously, more people that see it, more traffic equals more sales. And what to avoid, negative keywords, okay? And that is it, you guys. So very simple, straightforward, but effective. These guys do very well, and you can make up to $5,000 a month with the intermediate method. So that right there, if you even just do that on the side, that is life-changing money, you guys. And remember, with all the bonuses as well, you're going to be getting traffic. You can also learn from mine. You're going to learn LaunchJack and another source of income that you can also do with Make Money Online. And optimization, this is also going to show you how you can really optimize with Google and YouTube. This is going to get you that traffic on Twitter. Tons and tons of free material for TikTok. You're going to learn other 7 figures, affiliates, favorite traffic sources, and of course Dan and Phil's vendor bonuses that we just discussed as well, guys. So tremendous value here. You still have 3 days, 23 hours, 23 minutes to get it done, guys. And get my link here, hit the yellow button, you'll get all my bonuses and their bonuses, and you will be rocking and rolling. Let's check out the price before we wrap up, guys. So front end is going to be $12.97 with everything that we just showed you there. The pro version at $37, you're going to get more training, case studies, and extra hacks on how to 10 times your traffic, get more sales with less effort. Dan will teach you how to work an email list with Bing ads for pennies on the dollar. Works in any niche, even if you're not in the make money online. Whatever that you are looking to do to make money online, you can use these principles to your business as well. Done for you. 47. Why do your ads when you can just steal all of Dan's ads? This upgrade gives you all the proven ads and creatives that Dan has used to consistently turn $1 into $10. So you're just going to be copying his stuff and making money for 47. Okay. Unlimited traffic at 67. Our sales pages get hit by thousands of buyers every single day. We are allowing you to put your Bing or Google pixels on our sales pages so you can steal all our buyers. So they've done all the work, they've got all the reputation. You can just add your pixel on there and scoop their sales from them. Finally, the reseller rights. You can get 100% on the funnel by buying this, and then you can market it. You can create it as your own product. You can rebrand it if you want, and then it can be yours. So I like the pro version at 37. 10 times your traffic, 10 times your sales. Also, the done for you I think is fantastic. Maybe one of those is something you want to consider. All right, though it keeps it still very cost effective in my opinion, and you're still going to be making more than $5,000 a month if you're getting one of these upsells as well. All right, my friends, so we learned a lot about Bing Blaster. It goes live, like I said, on the 13th of February at 11 Eastern Standard Time, New York time. Guys, just to summarize here, very simple. Turn $1 into $10 all in one solution. Takes just minutes. 30-day money back guarantee. You got nothing to lose. So guys, and of course you're going to get all my stuff that I'm offering you as well. So this wraps up my review on Bing Blaster. I hope you enjoyed it, and even more so, I hope you got some value from it. Please like, subscribe, comment, hit that bell button. And yeah, leave me a comment if you have any questions about what I do, how to make money online, how to learn more about making money online, etc. So my friends, I will wrap it up here. Thank you again for your time. This is Kieran Hogg. Best of luck on your journey, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.